video is about the nomenclature of alkanes using the IUPAC system. The IUPAC system is based on the two fundamental principles. One, of naming a molecule's longest chain of carbons connected by single bonds, whether in a continuous or ring chain. Two, all deviations other than carbon and hydrogen, including multiple bonds or atoms, are indicated by prefixes or suffix. So we'll enter by starting with the first example. You could get a question like this requiring you to give the name of this structure. In giving the name of this structure, the first step is to name the longest continuous carbon chain. In naming the longest continuous chain, you literally count the number of carbons in a certain direction that gives you the longest chain. As for our example here, you could count in the direction of the green carbons and it could give you the longest chain, and you could also count in this direction or in this direction, and all these directions could give you the longest chain of butane. Step 2. Number the chain. On numbering the chain, number the chain in such a way that the first substituent has got the smaller number. As in our case here, the first substituent is on this carbon. If we come from this end, the first substituent is on carbon 2, and if you come from this end, the first substituent is also on carbon 2. Then in a case like this, we number in such a way that the second substituent has got a smaller number. Either way, the second substituent is on position 3, the second substituent is on position 3 as well. So what happens when you just number from either side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 3. Locate substituents and name. After step 2, you locate your substituents, which in this case we have got two substituents, the methyls, on position 2 and 3. Therefore, the name of our compound becomes 2.3 dimethyl butane. You might consider pausing the video and give the name of this compound here. To get the name of that structure, you name the longest chain, which is pentane, and then you go to step 2, you number chain from end nearest to substituent, and we start from here, which is, this is our substitute, the end nearest to our substituent. So we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, you go to step 3, locate substituents and name alphabetically. Since you've got two substituents, a methyl group on position 2 and a chloro group on position 3, you then give the name of the compound, naming the substituents alphabetically. As in this case, you say 3-chloro 2-methyl pentane, not 2-methyl 3-chloro-pentane. For practicing, may you please give the names of these two compounds. Give the names of these two compounds. You might consider pausing the videos.